Alright, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cloak your affiliate link by using a PHP redirect file. Now I know it sounds pretty daunting and pretty tough. I'm going to give you 7 steps that you have to follow to make this happen. It's fairly easily done, but there are some technical aspects to this process. So let's get started. Step 1 is on our desktop we're going to create a folder and we're going to call it Suggests. So S-U-G-G-E-S-T-S, Suggests. Step 2, and by the way, at the end of this video I'm actually going to show you how to do this. So I'm just giving you the steps now, then we'll do it. Step 2 is we're going to create a new subfolder for each product or offer. So if our first folder is called Suggests, we're going to open up that folder. We're going to create a new folder inside of the Suggests folder, and we're going to call it whatever the product offer or product name is. So for example, if the product offer is just called Product Offer 1, it'd be Suggest and then a new folder called Product Offer 1. And the folder's name is actually Product-Offer-1. Okay? In step 3, we're going to open this new subfolder, the Product-Offer-1 folder that we just created. And then we're going to download the file below this video called index.txt. Now I thought about showing you how to create an index.txt file and all the put of the code. I just said, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to give them the file. All you have to do is download it. Now make sure you don't change the name. Now when I say for now, I'm not talking about index. Index always needs to be named index. The .txt is what we're going to change. You need to save this file in the new folder that you created, okay? The subfolder, that product-1, right? In step 5, we're going to change the file extension from .txt to .php. So change it from .txt to .php. Now index stays the same. The name index stays the same. And in step 6, we're going to log in to your FTP program. Now, I know that that may sound daunting as well. If you've never used FTP, then that's okay. I'll show you in this video how to do it. It's fairly simple. If you don't have an FTP program, I'll talk about that in this video as well. And then finally, in step 7, we're going to upload our new folders that we just created off of our desktop into our website files for our website. Okay, so now let's take a look at what this actually looks like, and I just gave you the 7 steps. Now let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm here on my desktop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click, okay, and I'm going to click New, then Folder, and I'm going to name this folder Suggests, just like I talked about, okay, and then I'm going to double-click on the folder. That brings up the folder. Now notice it's empty. I'm going to right-click here, and I'm going to click New again, and then Folder, Product-1. That's what the product we're going to promote, just like that. Then I'm going to double click. Now I have already downloaded the index.txt file, and here it is. So I'm going to just drag that into this new subfolder, Product-1. Okay? So once I have the index.txt file in this new folder I've created, I'm going to double click on it to open it. Okay? It's going to open up in Notepad or whatever your text reader is, and you'll notice that it's got all this little code in here. Now this is pretty important. You cannot mess up this code. What you need to do is change from right here, okay, which is my affiliate link that I got from ClickBank, right? That's where you need to put your affiliate link. You need to put your affiliate link inside of that, so change it to whatever your affiliate link is. Put it right there. I've got mine right in there. Okay, I'm going to click File, Save. I'm going to close, and I'm going to close this window as well. Now what I need to do is take this folder and I need to put it on my website. And I know it sounds weird. We're just going to put it in our website using FTP. So we're going to go here, and if you don't have an FTP client, you need to download FileZilla. I'll put a link to FileZilla and how to download it in the resource section below, but you're going to download FileZilla. It's going to install on your computer. It's going to look like this. We're going to double click on FileZilla to open it. Now, it looks a little daunting, but it's not. All you need to know about FileZilla and FTP is that your files from your computer, they're on the left-hand side. Your files on the right-hand side are from your website. Okay? So, obviously there are no files here because we actually have to connect to our website. When you build your first website or blog or whatnot and you have your hosting account set up, your hosting account's going to give you the information you need for FTP. They'll actually say, hey, this is your FTP login information. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here to the top left where it says Open the Site Manager. We're going to click on that. We're going to click on New Site. I've already done this, but it's going to allow you to create a new site. Then it's going to ask you for some information. The host, which your hosting account will give you. I put in an IP address, but you would normally put in ftp. Whatever the domain name is, .com, and then put in your username and your password. You're then going to click Connect. You'll notice now there are files on this right-hand side. We're going to first go to public_HTML. That's where all your websites should be. You're going to double-click on it, and we're going to find one of our websites. So I've got several different websites in here, but we're going to choose Beating Your Speeding Tickets. We're going to go ahead and click on that. We'll use that one as an example. And then, now I'm in the actual website, the folders of that website, Beating Your Speeding Tickets. On the left-hand side, I want to make sure I'm on my desktop, which I am. And then I'm going to find the new Suggests folder that I created. Now, if you look underneath that, there's the product, right? That's the actual affiliate redirect. Now, I only have to upload this Suggests folder one time. Once it's in here, then I would always come under here and take this, the new files, and put it under the Suggests folder over here. Don't worry, we're going to have screenshots, we've got the video, you can watch this as many times as you need. So we're going to come here, we're going to left click on Suggests, hold that click down, not double click, just single click. We're then going to drag that folder into this side. We're not putting it in one of these folders, we're putting it right underneath. It's now uploaded it, and there you have it. Now let's take a look at what this looks like. I'm actually going to go to the website and you'll see how this redirect works. Okay, so I've got my browser up. I'm going to actually navigate to beatingyourspeedingtickets.com, which is one of my affiliate websites. You'll notice when you go to that website, it's a full-fledged website. It's a full-blown website. Now, that didn't do any type of redirect. That wasn't my affiliate link. So, remember though, we did it as /suggests/product1. Now, before I go ahead and hit enter, obviously the customer's not going to have to type that in. You're going to actually have that programmed into the site, and I'll actually show you, since this is one of my affiliate sites, I'll show you how that works. But let's just do that so you can see the folder we just created. We're going to hit enter. You know what I did? I forgot to change it from a TXT file to a PHP file. Hey, this may happen to you. So we're going to go ahead and minimize this. We're going to go back to our desktop. There it is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to click on the product. See, I didn't change it. I even told you that. That was step 5. I missed it. There you go. So we're going to change this from .txt to .php and hit enter. It's going to ask if we want to do that. We hit yes. I close out of this. I'm going to go back. I'm glad I made that mistake so you can at least see what happens if you run into some errors. Alright, so we're going to go back into our folder Suggests. We're going to go back into the product. Now notice it's a .php. So I'm going to come back over here to Suggests. We're going to click on the product folder, bring it into the Suggests folder on our website. It's probably going to pop up saying it already exists. We're going to go ahead and make sure, there we go. And we're going to delete the index.txt file because that can't be in there. Alright, now let's hopefully get this to work. It's kind of embarrassing, isn't it? Alright, so we're going to do that again. /suggests /product-1. We hit enter. It's going to redirect us to a Traffic Secrets. There's our affiliate program that we're wanting to promote. Now this is not my website. Notice it's trafficsecrets.com / yada 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 hop equals, and there's my ClickBank account. That's my ClickBank username. So they can come in here and they can buy this product, get instant access. I'll show you how it works. Hey, they get to buy it, 29 bucks. Now notice it says affiliate equals eWealth LLC. That means I will get credit if somebody buys based on that click. Now, let's go back to our website. I typed in the actual URL. Obviously, they're not going to have to do that. But when you come here, learn how you can start beating your speeding tickets today. Click Learn More. Where did it take us? There it is. Because this little button is also an affiliate link. Click here to watch a short video. Click on that. Where did it take us? It's my affiliate link as well. Alright, so that's how you create a PHP redirect. I know it sounds daunting, but just watch this video as many times